This is my Boleans by MTD front tine tiller with a 4.75 horsepower Briggs engine with a 13 to 24 inch tilling width garden tiller, front tine tiller. It's a really good tiller. I bought it used for $50, which was I think was a good deal, because these tillers right here, you get these at Lowe's, and they usually cost about like $300. So I'm gonna do a cold start and do a little tilling video of it. I don't know if I can do it right here or not. I'm gonna do it till it right here, but I don't know. We're gonna get a vegetable garden started, and I'm trying to find an area where we have good sun. And I think this is one good area. That or over there. So I don't know. But for this video, I'm just gonna till right here. Let me check the oil. And one thing I like about the tiller is the oil. When you change the oil, you got to that's good. Change it from the top. So where you put the oil in, that's where you drain the oil at, because there's no drain plug on the bottom. I looked. Only drain thing is the gear oil for your tines right here. So, but you can change the oil. You got to pump it over. Prime it 3 times. I prime it 4 times. It's been sitting for about a week, 2 weeks. See, I don't know if you can see that, but there's some sun over there. It's really good over there, so I'll probably have to put a garden over there. So let's get started. Hard to get that. There we go. That's a little demo of how the tiller works. It feels pretty good. And it started up on the first pull, and it's been sitting that long.